guys. I'm just getting ready. I just put on some eyeliner, some mascara, because it looks greasy if I don't do anything about it. We are going to breakfast, and he wants to go hiking, so we're taking him hiking, and then I think we're gonna hit up that outlet. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So we got our food.
I get my bill.
So good, nice and warm.
Yeah. Get my bill.
For them to get their food.
Get my bill.
Almost done. Details got nothing. Hi, buddy. Such a big plate for a little guy. Is it good?
I'm almost done. So babe is pumping up the gas. We need to fill it up. We decided that we're gonna go with going back to DQ because last time we went, but we didn't make it all the way to the waterfall. So this time we're gonna go and try to make it all the way to the waterfall. It's an easy hike, so why not? And it rained yesterday, so we don't want to go somewhere we haven't gone and it be like really bad. So we kind of know DQ, so like we have an idea if it's like if we can do it or not. So we're gonna go. Caleb's excited to go, and he's done pumping up the gas. I want to go to the store and buy like maybe a stack of granola bars, so we're not so hungry. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We're back at it again. I hope you guys don't get annoyed. But Caleb wants to see if his cave is still there. Caleb, let's see. Oh yeah, it's over there, eh?
Over there.
Okay, we'll go check them out.
Come on, people. What's taking so long?
I'm excited to go down there.
Yeah, we're going this way, buddy.
We have to take him at least a cave.
Yes, we're gonna try, buddy. This time, I think we're gonna be able to go down to the waterfall. So last time it was too muddy. These guys are so slow. Let's go, people! Hustle! Hustle, hustle, hustle. Let's go. Come on. Caleb, nice glasses, buddy. Are those mine?
Yeah.
Nice, buddy. Caleb, what's that noise?
Birdie.
The birdies?
Yeah. In the porch.
Do you see them?
Yeah, where?
You don't?
No.
Here you go, buddy. Oh! All the way down there. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
It's bouncing off trees and stuff. Everyone else is coming down now. Me and Caleb are in the front of the line.
No, don't.
We're not lost. We just started.
No.
Which way? That way or this way?
It was that way.
That way. Okay, we'll
Doesn't
go that
matter,
way.
it wraps around.
Caleb, this way, buddy. We're gonna go down that trail. Dean went to go. Caleb went to go help Dean. Good job, buddy. He's helping him down the hill. Good job, buddy. Caleb's so helpful. Good job, buddy. Still up there. Had to pick up Caleb because it was too hard. Okay, we made it down here.
Yeah, and me.
Alright, we're gonna go to the water. Oh, and Dean broke his phone.
He left it in his pocket, doesn't have a case on it.
Completely smashed. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see from here, but there's like water there. There's like a rope swing. Dahlia and Derek are right there. Hi, buddy. We're gonna go down there right now.
Yeah.
So we made it to the water. It's so nice.
It feels so fresh. This is what rivers in Guatemala look like. It's so much fun going in the water in Guatemala.
It's so nice, too.
Daddy.
We're gonna try to get all the way down there, so we got a long way ahead of us.
So we made it this far. Last time we didn't make it this far.
Put on my back.
He keeps scraping his butt. Show everybody your butt.
No, don't show me my butt.
Oh no, did you poo-poos?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we made it this far. We're out of breath. You guys don't even want to know how badly I'm sweating. It's a good workout.
Where's that bridge?
Probably past it. We're almost there, you guys. This is ridiculous. I haven't been down here in years. I said that in the last video, but I swear it's been like 11 years. Oh, Caleb's so excited. Caleb, are you excited? I'm excited too, man. We're just walking in the water now. Yeah, we're going in the cave now. Some of the rocks are a little slippery, but that's good. As long as I don't drop you guys, that would be bad. We made it. We made it.
Wow.
Caleb, where's your cave? I don't see it.
You getting that?
Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna get a water bottle. I'm gonna go in a second.
Did you see his phone?
No.
We're all here.
Oh. Yeah, we made it.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's been throwing rocks since we got here. It's crazy. Look at his hands.
It's my hand.
There are the falls. There must be second falls because we don't see the place. Caleb, please be careful. So we decided to get a little closer. This is as close as we're gonna get. So beautiful. Caleb does not want to go in the water. They're all the way over there. They're so close. They are so close. Caleb wants to go see if he can see the cave. That is so cute. The cave's up there. Oh, he's a little sad. I think he's sad that he can't make it up there.
Dolly's all up there.
Dakota's been carrying Caleb since the falls. The falls is all the way over there. That guy has muscles. I wouldn't be able to do it. They ended up staying for like while we went to the falls. Derek tried to get in the water. We finally got home. How you feeling, Dean?
I fell off a cliff.
Look how bad Dean's
His legs. He's bleeding everywhere. They're here?
Oh my gosh. We swear we did not do this to Dean.
No, Dakota came up and he punched me in the face, curb stomped me, and pushed me out of the curb.
Yeah, we took off our shoes and we're home. We're gonna go out for dinner
I rolled
now.
my ankle too and slipped off the rock. And I smashed my face on it, but I literally caught my hand. And then I caught my hand here and like I thought I got stabbed in the hand.
Oh yeah.
Okay, drinks. Just drinks for these.
Okay, so we're heading out. Dahlia's looking very nice. We are going to some Spanish restaurant. So hopefully it's good. Spanish food's one of my favorite things, so I think we'll show you when we get there, but we're going there right now.
So we went to Walmart and we wanted to play a new game. So me and Dakota are trying to get like a collectors of like a collection of different board games and like card games and stuff like that. So we buy like ones that are on sale and stuff like that.
We'll try to buy like a game or something like that.
Exactly.
We got like 3 or 4 now, I think.
Yeah, and then we bought this one called Badger. What's it called?
Balderdash.
Balder.
It's like, I don't even know. We'll play it later and record it, but
It sounds sick. We're just gonna grab a pizza for Caleb and his brother, and then we are gonna go on a date. It's been a while. It's been a while. I think it's
Mexican food.
Yes, I've been craving Spanish food, so let's hope there's something really good for me to pick at. But yeah, that's what we're up to. We are full. We are so full. It was so good. Like I was craving Spanish food, and it just like kind of like
I can't.
it hit the spot. It hit the
move.
spot. But we're heading home now. He's gonna probably go to the washroom. His next best friend, and we're gonna play some board games. So yeah, not board games, card games.
Whatever. Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah. So this is what they give to all their customers.
So good.
Let's just say we're too hungry.
It was the nachos.
Yeah.
Until we ate it all.
Yeah.
We still got our main course meal.
So that's what Dakota ordered.
Yo, it looks so good.
Carne asada. And I ordered tacos, carne asada. This is where we ate. Chile agave.
Oh.
Hi guys, so we played that game. It was like it took us like an hour to understand, because we're a little slow. But we got it. It was pretty fun. We laughed more at how Dean failed than anything.
And me? And this one.
And now we're playing Jenga.
Now my
Okay, go.
Okay, go, buddy.
my pick.
Pick that one.
He's scared to drop it.
Yeah. Good job.
Oh, good job.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Put it.
That one.
No, you gotta put it like this.
There you go.
Okay, Dean's turn.
Do it, buddy. Okay.
Then you go. You go. Then you drop it.
Don't drop it.
Then don't drop it. This one did. No,
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
this one. Don't drop
Is this
it.
gonna go bad, you think?
It didn't work.
Oh.
That was like intense as
Okay,
shit.
go.
And my turn.
No, mommy's turn.
Mommy's turn.
How is that even working right? How do I do that? And it's supposed to be a middle? What comes out of
Okay,
that?
don't
know.
touch it.
Oh shit. Dahlia, stop! Dahlia, you're gonna fucking fail, Dahlia. We still have Dahlia.
Daya. Now my
Hold on, I have to put it on top because if
This is not
Then
good.
you
Oh,
know
look
my.
at that quick times.
Then you know my turn.
yeah.
Yep, your turn,
Okay,
buddy.
Oh, stop shaking the table!
This one.
No.
No, take that one. Take that
Take
one.
the middle.
Take that one. Take that one. Good job.
Oh my God, Caleb, you're so good, buddy.
Whoa!
Okay.
Why did you do that?
Okay, stop shaking the table.
What do you do?
You didn't, Jack. No, you didn't. Jack. No, Dean.
We're sweating here. We're sweating.
Can I use 2 hands or no?
No.
Yeah?
Yeah, to
Okay,
take
go
out the
for it,
piece,
go
yeah.
for How?
You can't hold the
No,
tower.
I didn't. I had to push it out.
Go, 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 go. It's gonna fall soon. Yo, she's done.
It's gonna fall on me.
Yep,
Of
she's
course
done.
it is.
Look at all those. It's just middle.
My turn, Daddy.
Okay, you guys are moving the table.
Dahlia, try to take this one.
Oh
All
man!
over the pizza! Dang, we got sauce on it.
So I lost again, so I'm out.
You suck, Tyler.
They took revenge on me
We
and
teamed
like,
up and we saw all the ones on the bottom.
and then I had no moves because there's too much weight on it.
Did he go
Rude.
sad?
So Caleb's in bed, and I think I'm gonna head to bed. I work tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna head to bed. Dakota's just playing video games, or I don't know what he's doing, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog now. I'll see you guys probably in my next hike, or yeah, probably my next hike. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.